The 2017 Amarnath Yatra has been stopped because of heavy rain and landslides at the Panchtarni and Poshtarni regions. The third batch of pilgrims have been stopped at Baltal and Chandanwadi, leading to the Amarnath cave. Traffic on the Jammu-Srinagar highway has backed up for several miles. The 39-day-long yatra from the 29th of June to the 7th of August is being conducted under heavy security cover after intelligence inputs about a possible terror attack on pilgrims. Weather is a major factor for the yatra as area is prone to landslides. One pilgrim, in fact, did lose his life because of falling rocks on Thursday.
We have largely doubled the amount of resources that we have put for security this year on the Amarnath Yatra. By doubled, I am meaning not only us as the army, but even the CRPF and the CAPF. The number of companies which have been deployed are nearly 2 times last year's numbers. From the army side, from 2 battalions, we have put in about 5 battalions are securing the routes to the Yatra. But these routes include the highway, include the road to Sonamarg, includes the road to Pahalgam from Anantnag as well as from Srinagar. So I think we have secured the Yatra very well.
Third batch of Amarnath Yatra has been stopped today by the state government because of the heavy rains and the landslide on the Ramban area. Around more than 12 places there are landslides. And because of rainy season, the yatra has been stopped. The other reason was also that there is a tension in the Kashmir Valley. That is the reason that state government is not allowing any traffic from this moment. You can see the hundreds and thousands of vehicles along with the Amarnath Yatris. They are standing on the lane side. They are just taking breakfast here. The government has decided not to allow any vehicle, Amarnath Yatri vehicle from this point towards the Baltal Pahalgam area. The security has been tightened all along the national highway, and the government has given a direction to the police not to allow any Amarnath Yatri from this place because of the high tension in the Kashmir Valley and the road blockage at different places in the Ramban and the other areas. Around more than 12 places there is a landslide and a heavy rain. You can see the highway. There is a highway, and all vehicles of the Amarnath Yatras has been stopped. But only the Vaishno Devi pilgrim vehicles have been allowed. They have been told to allow them to move towards the Vaishno Devi, not but to the Amarnath Yatris. That is the reason the security has been tightened, and the Yatris has been told to stop here, not to move towards the Baltal Pahalgam area till the government gives clearance. Ashwini Kumar for India Today in Jammu.
सर, हमें तो यही बोला जा रहा है कि यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइडिंग हो गई आगे, और इसीलिए कि यात्री आज यात्रा नहीं खुलेगी। अनाउंसिंग हो गया, यहाँ से गाड़ी अनाउंस करके चली गई, इसलिए अभी हम ही उड़ीक कर रहे हैं कि कब खुलेगी और कब जाएंगे हम।
वो कह रहे हैं रास्ते में जाम हो गया, जाम लग रहा है और स्लाइडिंग हो रही है, तो इस करके हम सुबह 3 बजे के खड़े हैं यहाँ पे। सरकार तो बहुत ढीला चल रहा है काम, बहुत यात्री बहुत कम से कम 50,000 यात्री यहाँ के खड़े हुए हैं।